Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to buy BNB on Binance app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. In order to do so, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application, and then you just have to log in into your account. Now, if you haven't already created your account on Binance, make sure to do so. So after the successful creation of your account, now is the time to buy BNB. In order to do so, you just have to tap on the search bar in the top, and here you will have to type BNB. Once done, it will show you a bunch of different pairs relating to BNB, but you will have to tap on BNB/USDT. Once you have done that, you will be landed on this page where you're going to see its chart. Now here, the first thing that you need to make sure is it is selected as BNB USDT. So if it is not selected, or if you are able to find BNB USDT, then you simply need to tap on this drop arrow button. And here in the top, you're going to see a bunch of different pairs with BNB, but you will have to make sure that it is selected as USDT. After that, you need to tap on the buy button in bottom, and then you will have to first select whether you are putting a limit order or market order or stop limit, etc. After selecting it, you will have to enter the amount of BNB that you want to purchase. You can also use this slider in order to make the percentage, such as you want to purchase 25% or 50%. Then you can use this slider in order to purchase it. After that, it will automatically show you that your 50% of amount is this worth of USDT. So you will have to tap on this Buy BNB option in the bottom, and this way you will be able to easily purchase BNB on Binance app. If you want to view your asset, then you can tap on this Assets tab in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, and here you're going to see your total balance as well as your BNB in Spot Wallet. So that's basically how you can buy BNB on Binance app. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.